Hi, let's learn about BIBA model. BIBA is also a state machine model, very similar to Bell LaPadula model, but here it consider only the integrity aspect of access control. Notice integrity. Integrity refers to the trustworthiness of data or resources, and it is usually used in terms of preventing improper or unauthorized change in our data. Integrity includes data integrity and origin integrity. There is a phrase no write up and no read down. This is just the opposite of what we learned in Bell LaPadula model. In Bell LaPadula model, it is no read up and no write down. Integrity policies include preservation of data integrity, and it has mainly three goals. First one is prevent data modification by unauthorized parties. Second is prevent unauthorized data modification by authorized parties. So even if they maintain internal and external consistency. So the data should reflect the real world data. BIBA security model is directed towards data integrity and rather than confidentiality, and its slogan is no read down and no write up, whereas in Bell LaPadula model it is no read up or no write down. So here is the pictorial representation of BIBA model. We have no read down and no write up, but read up and write down is permitted. This is symbol integrity property, and the next one is star property for integrity. Next, coming to the integrity policies of the Bell LaPadula model. First one is a symbol integrity model, that is a subject can modify an object only if the integrity level of the subject dominates the integrity level of the object. Here it is about writing or modification, that is no write up, no write up. So integrity level of subject should be greater than or equal to integrity level of object. This is the first policy, simple integrity. Second one is the integrity confinement. This is just the opposite of Bell LaPadula model. Here this is the star property or integrity confinement. This says that a subject can read an object only if the integrity level of the subject is dominated by the integrity level of the object, that is I of S should be less than or equal to I of O. Third one is the invocation property. A subject can invoke another subject only if the integrity level of first subject dominates the integrity level of the second object. So if S1 denotes first subject and S2 denotes the second subject respectively, integrity level of subject 1 should be greater than or equal to subject 2. Else a dirty subject could use a clean tool to access or contaminate a clean object. Here only a dominating or a higher integrity level subject only access a lower integrity level subject. Next is application of BIBA model. This is fully implemented in free BSD 5.0 operating system. BSD means Berkeley Software Distribution. It's a free and open source Unix-like operating system. It is based on Research Unix and developed by the Computer System Research of University of California, Berkeley. And it is implemented, the BIBA model is implemented as a kernel version, and the integrity levels are defined for subject and object in a configuration file. It supports both hierarchical and non-hierarchical labeling of all system objects with integrity levels, and supports strict enforcement of information flow to prevent the corruption of high integrity object by low integrity process. These points already we discussed in BIBA model. So this is implemented in free BSD 5.0 operating system. Now coming to the drawbacks of BIBA model. Here nothing is introduced to support the confidentiality access control. Also no support for revocation of rights, but it can downgrade the subject and there is no network protocol that would support VIPA like integrity level over remote data volumes or for remote network. Now if we compare Bell LaPadula model and BIPA model, Bell LaPadula model is based on the need to know principle. Know means the right to read, okay, but BIPA model is based on the right to act upon or the right to write or modify, right to write upon or modify. Okay, so that's all about BIPA model. Thank you for listening.